Okay guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to boot a USB for any operating system, any kind of operating system, either it can be a Linux or a Windows based system or any kind of operating system you can boot a USB for in a very simple way. So let us start. How can we do this? First of all, what we have to do, we have to download a software. I have downloaded that. Just going to my directory where I have downloaded that software. Here you can see guys, this is the software Universal USB installer. You can also search it on Google. If you search it on Google and just let me check it is recording or not. Yes, it is recording. Our software is Universal USB installer. You can download it from any of these above link, and I just go to that link. From here you can download it. From here and at this side the method how you boot by using this software is also shown here using some screenshots. Okay, when after downloading the software, you have the exe file as I have now. Here you can see. So I am going to open it. Just I agree and create, and then okay, the important thing in booting a USB, you need a USB of at least space of the USB must be at least 8 GB. Okay, and in the USB there would be not any important files, because all the previous data that is stored in your USB will be formatted. So before booting you have to format your USB by copying all the important files. So here I have started that software Universal USB installer for booting my USB, and in this video I am booting for Windows 10. So at the first step 1, it is select a distribution from the drop down to put on your USB. Here from here you can select the operating system which you are going to boot in your USB. So here Linux based operating system are there: Ubuntu, Kubuntu and Kali Linux, Linux Mint and Debian and Fedora Live. Okay, and there is also many other operating systems. You can also boot your USB for Android operating systems. Here you can see Android is present here, and many other operating system are okay. So I am going to boot it for Windows. So here you can see Windows 10 installer is here. So I just click on this, and okay, what you have to do, you should also downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file. Windows 10 ISO file I have downloaded it, and where it is in the downloads folder. It is in the downloads folder. It must be in the downloads folder. Here you can see this is my file. I have downloaded it, and this is the ISO file of Windows 10. You can download it from any website, So I have to mention its location in this step. Okay, here it is asking me for the ISO file of the Windows or any other operating system you want to boot in that USB. So I just click on the browse button and I go into that directory where I have downloaded my ISO file. I have also downloaded the Ubuntu file, but this video is for Windows booting, so I select this file and open it. So it has been opened here, and okay, in the step 3 it is asking me for in which drive I want to boot this ISO file, this window ISO file. So here I select I just click on the all drive shown. Here it is showing my PC original drive, that is Filecoin 39 GB, and my USB is 8 GB, so it is showing here 7 GB. So I select here. Okay, so my in my USB there is a previously boot USB drive. So in your USB there may be some files, so you have to format it first for booting it. So no, there's no need to just click on this process, it will automatically format this. Here it is saying that any existing MBR will be overwritten and existing label will be overwritten, and it is giving that this ISO file is booting on that drive. Okay, so you can see that it is booting has started here, and once it will take some time. Once it is finished, so you can see your USB drive will be boot, and you can easily boot your PC by using that bootable USB drive. Okay, thank you very much for watching.